And you have a Y for you. So I love you. And in this book, you say, I love you all the way to the other side of the cornfield. I've been an author since the age of 17. This book is inspired by my grandmother and my mom and my daughter.
So, the character is based on me and my story. Her name's Rocky. Rocky feels best when things are just right. If her toys aren't lined up or her shoes aren't paired neatly, she feels like her days are all wrong. She likes to make sure everything is perfect.
Telling stories to my kids in the classroom, I would often take them up to go them along. And for one of my classes in college, we had to write a story. So I had a student this year who fell off his bike and they determined that he has cancer. So his big thing was he loved the trash truck. And he would tell me every day, well, he said trash day is a trash day. And so I drew a picture of him standing at our fence. This is the back of our school.
My name is Dayna